Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Atif Tech. So today we are going to tell you about an app Microsoft Math Solver. Here's the app and what's new. And here's about this app. Draw or scan math problems to get steps, videos, practice problems, and more. Education maths. 4.5 star rating. 172k reviews. Rated for 3 plus. 10 million plus downloads. Some images. And here is and here it is. Here another one, graph. If you can also draw graph from it, and graph daily quiz, and this may base data safety. Safety starts with understanding how developers collect and share your data. Data privacy and security by sites may vary based on your use, region, and age. The developer provides this information and may update it over time. No data shared with third parties. This app may collect these data types, photos and videos, activity, and two others. Data is encrypted in transit. You can request that data be deleted. Committed to follow the Play family policies. Nice. And rating and reviews, 4.5 star rating. Here are some reviews about this app. And open. Here the math server is open. Here it's opening, and here it opens. Continue, draw and practice, continue, and here I think so I'll type just take square root of 36. So here I've entered the question, and here it gives me the answer. And similar problems, square root 36, double square root and capture. Nice. So go back, and yes, just check on. And welcome to math test, math problems, and also text. So if you want to type, you can also type another time. I'm going to type 36 multiply I think so when you divide by 6. So here's divided by 6 is equal to what the answer is happening 6. Solution steps divided by 3 divided by 3 to get 6. Nice man. So I will take the square root of 36. What the heck happened? 36 square root. Something like that. Please try again. So I will take the square root of 6. Square root is equal to square root of 6 is equal to something like that. Please try again. I think the system is not working. So you can also take settings. You can also select the language, and here's the language. Here's my history, bookmark, quiz, examples. Some of the examples are given. So go back. So this is a good app, and my experience with this app is very good. I assure you to download this app. For more technical videos, subscribe to our channel Atif Tech. Goodbye.